So let's talk about budgets. It's interesting that many design businesses don't bother with budgets. For us, it is the core part of the business. Without a budget, you can't actually work out what it's costing you to run the business, which means you can't work out a realistic cost rate, which means you don't really have any idea when you're charging something out, just how much profit you're likely to make from it. It tends to be an exercise of waiting until the end of the month and you look at what's come in and you work out how much money you got left over in the bank. That haphazard way of looking at budgets just doesn't work. So we've put this together to explain to you how budgets work. To start off with, we use the P&L from your accounting system, and we take the figures from that and we put them into a budget. Now, the costing, pricing, profit calculator that you'll see a bit further on allows you to plug all of those figures in. So our suggestion is you use the cost centers that we've set up in the example budget below to help you identify the specific areas or cost centers within the business. This allows you to manage things more accurately because you can break portions of it down into cost centers, and you can look at those as individual areas of the business. The idea is once you've produced a budget, you don't really have to go back and produce a new one. Using the budget costing, pricing, profit tool in this toolkit, you'll be able to start with a budget and then just modify it as you find prices go up or down, or you're buying more stuff or less stuff. You add a new staff member, the salaries have got to go up, and you've got to recalculate things. But it's all there in that calculator. But that doesn't really work until you actually prepare a budget. So start by looking at your budget.